Today we are going to derive the derivation of one-dimensional wave equation. As we know that wave is nothing more than a oscillation of particles that these are doing a simple harmonic equations, and we know the simple harmonic equation can be written as y equal to a sine omega t minus kx. To find out the wave equations, we differentiate equation number first with respect to time. We will have dy upon dt equal to a omega cos omega t minus kx. Now again differentiate with respect to time equation number second. We have d2y upon dt square equal to minus a omega square sine omega t minus kx. Equation number third. Equation number can be write in this manner: d2y upon dt square equal to minus omega square into y. Equation number 4, where y equal to a sine omega t minus kx. Now again we differentiate with equation first with respect to x. Dy upon dx equal to a minus k cos omega t minus kx. Now again differentiate equation number 5 with respect to x. We have d2y upon dx square equal to minus minus plus and minus of a into minus k into minus k into sine omega t minus kx. We can represent and manage this equation in following manner: minus k square y. Equation number 6. Now equations number 4 have double time differential of y with respect to t. On the other hand, equation number 6 have double differential with respect to x. Now by equation number 4 and equation number 6, we have d2y upon dt square upon d2y upon dx square equal to minus omega square y upon minus k square y. Here we have d2y upon dt square equal to omega square upon k square into d2y upon dx square. Omega equal to 2 pi n, k equal to 2 pi upon lambda. Hence we have omega by k equal to 2 pi n upon 2 pi upon lambda. Here 2 pi will cancel out and lambda will come at upper side and lambda equal to velocity. Now omega by can be replaced by term v, which is the velocity of wave. Thus we can write d2y upon dt square equal to v square into d2y upon dx square. This is equation of wave which is propagating in x-axis with v velocity. If we have equation which is moving in y direction, then we will have here the term dy square. If we have equation propagating in along z axis, then we will have dz square. Okay, thank you.